Grounded in reality. We all watch TV. Lawyers. Objection. Immaterial. Irrelevant. Hearsay. Good things to say. If we know what they mean. If we know the proper time to say them. If we know why we are saying them. If we can back them up with grounds. This class explains why objections are essential to winning. TV lawyers seldom explain objections. They usually just blurt out, "Objection, Your Honor." They seldom state grounds for their objections. Yet get away with it, because it's television. They wouldn't get away with it in a real court battle. In reality, bare objections without grounds are empty. They fail to include the part that forces the judge to take action other than to say, "Overruled." Without grounds, your objections can have little or no effect on your case. You may be correct to object, but, if you don't state grounds for your objections, you haven't objected properly. Objections properly made are essential to winning court cases. Learn why, what, when, and how to object in this class. Visit www.winwinforall.info.